Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you 3 refreshing cold drinks with jasmine and Ceylon tea. Let's get started. The first cold drink is jasmine tea with cream cheese foam. To begin, we have to brew the jasmine tea. We are going to add 8g roasted jasmine tea and 400 ml of hot water in a teapot. Set it aside for 5 minutes to allow the tea aroma to come out. Now we can prepare the sugar syrup. We will need 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water. Mix it till the sugar dissolves. To make the cheese foam, we will be using 2-ounce cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons whole milk. Use a spatula to mix all the ingredients till well combined. Then add in 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Lastly, add pink salt to your preference. Whisk the cream cheese until it thickens and becomes smooth. Let's add some konjac jelly to have some chewy texture. Add in ice cubes and pour in the jasmine green tea. Lastly, add a layer of freshly made pink salt cheese foam. The drink is done. The next drink is grapefruit jasmine green tea. We will be using 1 grapefruit. To remove the grapefruit meat, you can use a sharp knife to carve it out in a circular manner. This is my favorite way to separate the meat from the skin. There is still a lot of juice left in the skin. Squeeze it out and then mash the grapefruit meat. Pour in the grapefruit juice and add the grapefruit slice on the side of the glass cup. Lastly, add in 1 tablespoon of sugar syrup, the jasmine green tea, and some ice cubes. The fragrant jasmine green tea mixed with freshly squeezed grapefruit juice creates a refreshing drink. It is perfect for summer. The last drink we are going to make today is dragon fruit Ceylon black tea. To brew the tea, add in 10g Ceylon black tea and 400 ml hot water in a teapot. Then set it aside for 5 minutes. Ceylon black teas are a popular base to make Hong Kong style milk tea since they have a very unique aroma. In the glass cup, add in ice cubes, dragon fruit cubes, and 1 tablespoon of sugar syrup. Slowly pour in Ceylon black tea. For decoration purposes, I added 1 slice of lime. This is it for today's video. Hopefully my video helped you out or inspired you for your own drinks. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye!